friends, welcome back. It's your girl Estelle and I hope you're all doing well. I'm back this week with a new recipe to share with you. It's called Comment préparer la sauce d'aubergine grillée. Yes, you got me right. Comment préparer la sauce d'aubergine grillée. which simply means how to make fried or grilled eggplant stew. So the cooking process is straightforward, and as always your girl Estelle will always make it easy for you to follow. Yay! So guys, without further ado, let me show you how to make it. So guys, to get started, I've got medium-sized full chicken cut into pieces, and this is what I call boiled chicken. Some people call it hard chicken because it takes time to cook. To save a bit of time, I have pre-boiled the chicken using these ingredients: 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, 3 bay leaves, half an onion chop, 1 fresh tomatoes chopped as well, 1 bouillon cube crush, and some salt to taste. These are what I used to combine prior to boiling the chicken. And I have boiled the chicken until it's cooked, so there will not be need for cooking the chicken anymore except frying it and then add it later to the stew. And next, I've got a stock which I've collected from the chicken, and we are going to use that to add it to the stew later on. Then next, this is our oil which we are going to use to fry the chicken. Lions roaring. And next is the vegetables and seasonings that I am going to use today. So here are the ingredients. So for this recipe I am using 4 eggplants peeled and chopped into pieces, and this is how the eggplant that I'm using looks like. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. And next I am also using a blended fresh tomatoes and sweet red pointed pepper, and these are how they looks like. Let's all take a roll. Savannah. And I will be using 1 large red onion chopped in small pieces. Lions gonna come. The birds are 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, 2 red Scotch bonnet peppers. Let's go back to when we were young. 3 bay leaves, 1 bouillon cube crushed, and finally some salt to taste. But remember that the chicken has already been pre-boiled using salt, and I will only use it if I need it. And these are all the ingredients I will be using for today's recipe. So guys, it's time to start cooking. So guys, to get started, set your fire from high to medium. Then when the oil reaches its temperature, transfer all the chicken into the pan. Then fry it until golden. Then turn it over and repeat the same process until it's well fried. Then remove it and set it aside for later.
Savannah. Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name.
Next, remove some of the oil as we are going to use it for our stew base. But be careful as at this stage the oil is very hot, so mind your fingers. Now it's time to start creating our stew base. Set the fire from medium to low, then add in the oil we removed earlier on and wait until the oil reach its temperature. Then add in the 3 bay leaves and the garlic and ginger paste. Give it a stir, then add in your chopped onions and keep stirring until the onions begin to caramelize. Then follow by adding in our blended tomatoes and sweet pointed pepper. Then add in the crushed bouillon cube. Then keep stirring it until it begins to look like a stew. And at that point, it will be time to add in your chopped eggplant. Keep stirring as this cooking requires a lot of stirring. So keep stirring. Once you added the aubergine, keep stirring until your eggplant begins to release his water and looking like stew, just like this. Then from there, add in the chicken stock I showed to you earlier on and follow by adding a bit of water and stir it well, but the water level should just be above the aubergine's level, just like this. Then add in the 2 Scotch bonnet peppers. Then once you finish stirring it, cover it and let it cook until it's almost cooked, until you notice it's becoming like a stew. Okay guys, it's time to check our stew and it should be almost cooked now. At this point, give it a stir, then follow by adding in our fried chicken. Stir it well, cover it and let it slow cook for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Next, it's time to check our stew and it should be now cooked. Give it another stir, then turn the fire off as at this stage our stew is cooked, and cover it. Let it rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes before serving.
In the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I...
Guys, the smell in here is amazing. I wish you guys were here with me to share this delicious dish. Unfortunately, it's not the case, but at least you've got the recipe now. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out. I'm pretty sure you would love this, guys, especially at this time of the year. I am serving this with white boiled rice, and I do have a video which I show you how I make my boiled rice, and I will link the video at the end of this video so you can see how I make it. Okay guys, this brings the end to our today's video. If you like today's recipe, don't forget to give the video a like, and also if you did try the recipe, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below to let me know how it turns out, and also share with your families and friends. And also, if you are new to my channel and if this is your first time watching my video, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section below, and also share with your families and friends. Okay guys, until then, I will catch up with you in my next video. Bye all.